any graphical tool on your servers, on your main servers, because graphical tools take up more RAM and they are heavy on processing, when installed. That's why, and this command line tools are very lightweight and they solve all the purposes. Right? So you can see by you can do a lot of commands here and you can issue certain commands like select from EMP. So when you executing these commands, this will basically return you the desired output. Right? So because you have to, when you're creating an application, say for a library management system. Now when you have to create a library management system, you need to have an IDE for that, integrated development environment. You can use an Eclipse platform for that. Right? Then you will be needing a database at the backend. So you can use a DB2 edition at the back end. You will be needing a application server to run that application once created. You have your website application server. Right? You will be needing a UML diagram. You have your RSA. You will be needing project management tool. You have your RTC. Right? So in real time, one person does not work on all these tools at the same time. If you are confused that so many tools and you have to work on different tools for different purposes. Roles are defined clearly in the organization, in the project. I am supposed to do a data development. So basically I will create tables and see the database part of it. You will be working on the project management. Somebody is a project manager, he will be seeing the RTC tools and so on and so forth. Are you getting this? This is only when you get to work on these tools, you will find the importance and you appreciate the importance then. Right? So you can do a lot of data management. There are a lot of options here, and it's a tool very integrated and very helpful for projects and all. You can open tables and you can see the details about it, the data about it. This tool is known as Control Center and it is a part of DB2 software. You have your other softwares that are used for replication maybe. So there's a replication center. You all understand what the term called replication means? Duplication of data, so that when a data is lost, we can recover it from multiple sources. So we can just using this replication center, we can manage the replication of the database that we are currently seeing. We can replicate to 7 different locations for data backup and recovery. We can integrate a TSM tool, Tivoli Storage Manager, with your DB2, so that whatever DB2 changes, Tivoli Storage Manager comes to know that this has changed and that copies keeps a backup of that data. So huge, capabilities every software has. Is that clear? If you want to ask some questions, please go ahead. On the software, on anything. No? Let us close this. This was DB2 that we just saw. A glimpse of that. Let me show you your rational team concept that is used for application lifecycle management. Have you ever worked on virtual machines? That's a good thing. It basically gives you all the real-time things only. So you can use your VMware or DTK or all. And also, guys, DB2, this database software, has a very good connectivity with your front ends. That I think you'll realize when you start working on your programming aspect more, you'll realize that to connect a database from a front end, sometimes it becomes a tedious task. Right? but tools make it easy. You can easily connect your databases without facing a lot of problems. So DB2 has a very good connectivity with PHP.